Okay students, now let's do the seventh question of it. Now seventh question says the floor length of the floor is 10 meter and breadth is 7 meter and tiles are to be paved on it. You can see the floor is covered with the tiles which is in a shape of a square whose dimension is 0.5 meter. So first of all you have to check whether all the units are in meter or not. Now how to do this? First of all, find out the area of the floor, then find out the area of one tile which is required to cover it and divide both the areas. You will get the number of tiles required to it. So let's do it. Question number 7. Length of a floor width area of the floor. Now area of the floor is 7 meter into 10 meter, that will be 70 meter square. Now side of a square tile, that is 0.5 meter. So area of a tile is 0.5 into 0.5 meter. So it will be 0.25 meter square. Now number of tiles required, area of floor divided by 0.25 meter square. Yes, when we remove the decimal, multiply by 100, 5 and this, so it will be 280 tiles. Now students, meter square and meter square, if you apply the law, it will be cancelled, it will be subtracted, and there will be m raised to the power 2 minus 2, it will be m raised to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So only 280 tiles will be required. So final answer you write by yourself. Now question number 8 says that a room is having a dimension of length 5 meter, breadth 6 meter and height 7 meter. Now there is a door whose dimension is 1 meter into 0.5 meter. Now 1 meter is the length of it and 0.5 will be the width of it. And this room, 4 walls are to be painted. Now you can see that the texture of the walls will be different from the texture of the door or windows. Yes, the paint is different. So what we do, we find out the area of 4 walls and subtract the area of the door from that total area. Yes, and then the cost will be given as rupees 90 per meter square is the rate. So you have to find out the total cost of painting. So first of all, length, breadth and height are given in it. So we will find out the area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls, 2h L plus B is the area of 4 walls. 2 into perimeter, sorry, you know what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 times L plus B, multiply by height, you get this. Yes, so let's apply this. 2 into height is 7, 5 plus 6, 14 meter into 11 meter equal to 154 meter square is the area of 4 walls. Now area of door we will calculate, which is 1 meter into 0.5 meter. So it will be 1 into 1. When we multiply any number by this, multiply by 1, we get the same number. So 0.5 meter square. Total area is 154. Area of door is this. So total area excluding door is 154 minus 0.5 meter square, that is 153.5. 153.5 meters square. Now the rate of painting 4 walls is rupees 90 per meter square. That means 1 meter square rate is rupees 90, and we have to calculate for this. So total cost of painting is 153.5 meter square into rupees 90. Let's remove the point 10, cut the 0. Answer will be in rupees. 9 5s are 45, carry 4, 9 3s are 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 1, carry 3, 5, 9 5s are 45, 46%, 48, 8, carry 4, 9 1s are 9, and 4, 1, 13,815 is the total cost of that. Clear? Now let's do the 9th question of it. Is the total cost of painting 4 walls excluding the door. Whenever any question will be given in such a way, always remember that doors and windows will be subtracted from it. Now let's do question number 9. Find the area of the squares in centimeter square whose diagonals are the following lengths. So area should be in centimeter square. First is 12 centimeter. Now diagonal is given. Students, when diagonal is given, how to get the area of a square is area of a square half into d square. Yes. So half into 12 into 12, you get the answer 144 upon 2. So it is 72 centimeter square. B part is, I will do the B part. 2.5 meter. First we convert it into centimeter. So it will be 2.5 multiplied by 100 centimeter. It will be 250 centimeter. Area half into 250 into 250, 125. Or we can do like this. If we will not cut it, it will be 25 square is 625, 1 and 2, 00 upon 2, and let's divide it. 31250 centimeter square. Similarly, I will just explain the C part and you do by yourself. 0.18 decimeter. If you remember, in previous class I told you King Henry died. This is Decca. Mother didn't cried much. Each arrow means 10. So decimeter to centimeter 10. So multiply by this. So 0.18 into 10 centimeter. It is 1.8 centimeter. Then what you have to do? Half into 1.8 into 1.8 and then you do it. Now as I told you, question 10th, 11th, 12th are homework. Now I will do the 13th of it in my next video. And 14th are also homework. Thank you.